So here you mount your camera on a tripod, use neither landscape or portrait mode, then walk in, then use your phone and do as if you pushed out something from it, then watch a direction where you push it out for some time. Then after that, you use your hand and do as if you pick up that thing you are watching. You pick it up, then go and pick the carton or whatever, any object you want to use for this video. Then you walk in, you lift it up. You can see what I did. Do as if you pick it. Then you walk out. You walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut. Click on Capcut. New project. Import the video you just recorded. You just recorded the video, import it here. So at this point, you go and locate where you want your own video to start from. Adjust, look for where you want your own to start from. I think I want my own to start somewhere around this place. Then you click on the video, make a split, delete the first part. You don't need it again. So at this point now, look at this place where you're about pushing out something. So from here, you click on overlay. At this point, click on overlay. Make sure the packet or whatever you want to use for this video is ready. Make sure it's ready. Look at my own here. You click on it and import it into the workspace. At this point, look for mask. Click on mask now. Click on rectangle. Then use these two arrows to crumple. You are picking the carton only. So use the two arrows, crumple only pick only the carton. Here you can see what I am doing. Resize your own until you pick only the carton. Make sure that everything is visible. Then at the end, you mark on this good. After resizing, mark on this good now. Mark on the carton layer and drag it. After dragging, you come back. So come back now, you locate your key. Click on keyframe now. Click on your keyframe. Then use your two hands to crumple this carton. You can see what I am doing. Crumple it until you are not seeing it again. Crumple it, but make sure you are crumpling it to the point of that your hand where you are about pushing it out. So after crumpling it, you adjust the video a little. Then you start opening it again. Start opening it, pushing it out again. Push it out, push it out. After pushing it out, you place it at a point where you feel or you think that your hand will come up. After that, then you adjust the video. Keep adjusting it. You are looking at your hand. Look at your hand. You can see that your hand is going to another direction. So at this point, you go back to that key. You go back to that key to click on the video so that you locate the key and adjust it to the point of your hand. You are doing this. You are doing this using this key so that the video will rhyme. If at the point of your hand, you adjust it immediately, you will find out that when you play the video, when the video gets to that point, the carton will move up. But I don't want it to be like that. I want everything to play normal. That is why I'm going that way. The two things you can do here, the only two things you can do here is neither you split it after this key so that when you get to the point of your hand, you just do all your adjustments and that is all. But I don't want it to be like that. I don't want to have a cut on the video. That is why you are seeing me going front and going back. I want to make sure that the video plays smoothly and play directly. Are you getting what I'm saying? So at this point, you take your time here to do your own. Come back, see your hand, see what you do. Then you come back to your key, click the video to see your key. You place it at the point of getting what you want. Then you click on the other one. You'll be making a split, but take your time here so that you will get the perfect thing you want. At the end, then you come back, you click on the carton layer, you make a split. If you have gotten what you want, click on the carton layer, make a split. Click on the video, the up one, make a split. Delete this one, delete the carton layer, but don't delete the up one because you are still working. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. And if this is your first time of coming across our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing updates. If you have found this video to be valuable, why not give us thumbs up? Welcome. Let's continue with the tutorial. So at this point, locate this point where your hand is up, where you pick up the carton. Click on the video, make a split, delete the center part, we don't need it again. At this point, play the video, let us see what we have got. Let's see what we have got. Just play the video as we see what we have got. Fine, you can see this your video is ready. So you want to be removing the parts you don't want. Click on this video at the ending part here. Click make a split, delete this last part, we don't need it again. So at this point we just export this video. It's ready. You just export it. After exporting it now, you can now share it to your social media handles. Like and comment on this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell. YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing updates. Thank you and stay safe.